Hey there YouTube, today I'm doing an installation video on this metal dishwasher strip. It's a mounting strip that is an alternative to those epoxy round circle things for quartz and granite. It's my first time using one of these, so I guess I'll take you along with me with my trial and error. One thing I was originally worried about was that I was going to have to drill into the face of the cabinets and possibly split it if anyone were to stand on the door of the dishwasher, toddlers. And I didn't want to rip the face of the cupboard out because that would be horrible. But luckily, I was able to push the dishwasher in enough that it actually goes into the body of the cupboard. So if you have a standard depth 24-inch deep dishwasher, I'll put my dishwasher model number so you check the dimensions, and you did your cupboards all the way to the wall, you should be okay. I installed the dishwasher and then marked the holes for how far I would accept it to stick out in blue and what I really wanted it to be in red. And luckily with the red I was able to get it back here, so I just had to shove it a little bit further back. But yeah, that's going to be dependent on your install, trial and error. I just wanted to note that if you notice, these holes are offset. So depending on if you want to go deeper or shallower, you can rotate this. And actually, I have to rotate this because I put this in the wrong way. See how that hole is kind of in the front of the cabinet? I'm going to take the strip down, rotate it. You can see my holes even further back now on the top to get into the meat of the carcass. They actually call it the carcass of the cabinet. Alright, time to drill this into the cupboard so I can get my wife a dishwasher. It comes with 4 screws for mounting it into your cupboards. They're pretty short, and 2 screws for the actual metal to metal connection on your dishwasher there. That feels pretty strong. Time to carefully shove the dishwasher in. So, on mine, the pre-drilled holes are exactly where I don't want them to be. I think there's a little play in these tabs, so I'll have to pull the dishwasher out again. The tabs on mine are not adjustable side to side. I'm going to have to drill a hole in the metal. If they would have designed this alternating the screw holes, so that one side had the screw holes starting at, I don't know, 3 inches, and then the other one started at like 3 1/4, I could have just switched the strip around, like flipped it around, but they didn't do that, so now I have to do a drill. Oh, and I hit the counter. Oh well, it's not that fragile. If it is, I shouldn't have spent $5 grand on it. There we go. The drill bit I used to drill the hole for the metal was 3/32. Bend these metal tabs up so they don't hit the dishwasher door. And there we go. Alright, hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.